We are the Western WiredCats team number 2. Our team members are Maddie Maynard, Ashley Kochman, Logan Malachi, Emma Garnett, Joseph Demerit, Lance Plummer, Vaughn Schumann, Shane Kalum, Santiago Chirinos, and Eric Chapman. The game for the WiredCat Classic Challenge is called Party Mix, which consists of elements from FTC Cascade Effect, Block Party, Rescue, and Ring It Up. It is possible to score points by climbing up ramps and mountains and hooking rings on the middle rack. On the very first day, our team met after school to exchange design ideas in order to determine what would be the most functional design for our robot. During this stage, we focused mainly on evaluating the viability of various strategies in order to establish which one was the best possible option. Our strategy changed throughout the season as time and financial constraints became apparent. Initially, it seemed valuable to score the mountain goal given that no other teams were attempting this. However, it became apparent that this strategy would not work as we could not obtain the materials needed to make this work in time. As a result, we modified our strategy to scoring on the 3 rack levels and the flag spin, which is a more attainable source of points. Our current design consists of a 2-wheel drive and a linear slide which has a servo-powered arm used as a claw to holster the rings. We utilize a horizontally oriented linear slide to push the rings onto our claw. It also has a flag spinner set to a medium to small gear ratio. Our design simplicity stands testament to the constraints we're presented in the WiredCat Classic Challenge. Our initial design was significantly different, as it consisted of an omni-wheel drive and a grappling hook to have superior maneuverability and still be able to climb up the ramp. However, we discarded this concept once we realized that we did not have the components to achieve this. Like professional engineers, we organize our team through specialization subgroups who collaborate with each other to achieve a common goal. These groups are mechanical, who are proficient in designing the structural mechanisms of the robot, programming, who have the greatest understanding of the control systems needed to maneuver the robot, 3D modeling, who are crucial to the fabrication and planning of the components, and finally administrative, who are in charge of the financial and outreach responsibilities of the team, as well as the documentation of our progress. We mainly communicate through the app GroupMe, a mobile messaging service that allows for group chats. We utilize GroupMe to plan after-school meetings and to leave notes and instructions for the next class in order to maintain productivity throughout all periods. To distribute and exchange crucial files, we use Google Drive as it serves as a database in which all team members can easily access. We in Team Number 2 believe that spreading STEM education is a key step to making the world a better place. In order to achieve this, we teach students at Indian Ridge Middle about the basics of robotics, participated at our freshman open house to draw on new team members, and had a booth at our town's Orange Blossom Festival to spread awareness to our communities of the advantages of pursuing a STEM education. For fundraising, members of our team both planned and participated in hosting a STEM car wash, where we made nearly $1,000 for our collective STEM group. Members of our team assisted in selling donuts in school and hosting family nights at restaurants such as California Pizza Kitchen and Lime, which also doubled as outreach events.